it comes to scalping the crypto market, indicators works for me most of the time, and this is scalping the crypto market using the 5 minutes time frame. And one of those indicators that I use a lot of the time is the RSI, okay, the relative strength index indicator. I use it a lot, and one of the ways you can actually use this indicator is to use it to spot divergence in the market. For instance, we can see a clear divergence right here. Now the token I'm looking at right now is the AUD USDT pair on the 5 minutes time frame, and right here you can see a clear divergence. Okay, the price right here, or the candle, is doing an opposite of what the RSI right here is doing. Okay, so you can see right here, you can see this clear divergence right here, and what is the result after that? You can see that this market has moved up by more than 10%, okay, with this bullish candle that started the journey. So even if you have taken a trade after the close of this candle, you would have still been up by some percentage trading this market on the 5 minutes time frame. Now in this video, I'm not going to show you how to spot divergence using the RSI. This is one option. Okay, what I'm going to show you is just how to use the overbought and oversold level, which is another way that you can use the RSI to your advantage to scalp the crypto market. So what I'll be showing you in this video is how to use the overbought and oversold level to actually go in, all right, do a quick in quick out scalping the crypto market on the 5 minutes time frame and make a lot of money. And if you apply the power of compounding, if you want to be compounding your profit plus your capital and all of that, you can use this to grow your $100 to as high as $10,000, or even as much as $100,000. The choice is yours if you apply good risk management. Okay, now if you don't let greed take a better part of you, if you don't let your emotions, to take a better part of you, for instance, just imagine that you enter this trade and then maybe you close around there and you now notice that, oh, the market later went up, and you're regretting that, oh, if I have known, I would have stayed in this market. Then this will now cloud your sense of judgment in the next trade. So the next trade, even if you are seeing clearly that you should close the trade, you'll be, no, let me not miss out. Let me not miss out. Let me wait in this market until it gets to this level. And from getting to that level, the market will be going against you. And at that point, it will be difficult to accept losses. Okay, one thing you should know in this space is that losses are inevitable, right? You cannot do it at losses, no matter how professional you are. Okay, but if you are contented with taking maybe 1% move in the market, 2% move in the market, and at the end of the day, if you take 5-10 trades, if 7 out of those trades are winning trades, you know that you're going home with either 7-10%. If that is okay for you, then this strategy will work for you best. All right, so the first thing we want to do, I'm doing everything on the Bybit exchange. Okay, so if you don't have a Bybit account already, the link will be in the video description. All you just need to do is to sign up, and you can get a welcome bonus of up to $30,000 depending on the amount of money you are depositing into the platform. Now, one good thing you can do with the deposit bonus is that you can use it to trade, okay, without touching your own initial capital. So if you want to get advantage to those bonuses, use the link in the video description. By the way, you can join us on Telegram, okay, to take advantage of all the free signals that we share there. All right, so the first thing you want to do here on Bybit, we want to make sure that we're using the trading view chart, okay, option. They have the standard chart, which is the one for Bybit, and then they have the trading view. So the trading view is what you want to switch to, and then once you switch to the trading view option, you want to come in here to indicator, click on it, and then you go ahead and type in RSI right here. So once you type in RSI, which is this relative strength index option, go ahead and click on it, and that will be added to your chart, and you will see it right here. Okay, so whatsoever asset you are going to trade, and one thing I will advise is just stick with one particular crypto pair. You don't need to switch from BTC to Ethereum, from Ethereum to Fatcoin, from Fatcoin to Slimcoin, from Slimcoin to Tinycoin, and all of that, right? You just need to stick to one pair and monitor that pair. If you are going to dedicate 1 hour in doing this, do it. If you are going to dedicate 2 hours in doing this in a day, do it, and I bet you that you'll never regret it. Okay, so I'm just using the RSI and all of that. RSI coupled with candlestick patterns. All right, coupled with candlestick patterns and all of that. Now, because I always take profit at 1% move or even 0.5% move in the market, I don't really need to bother myself with a whole lot. Okay, so after selecting the token, okay, all you just need to do, for instance, if I want to select the token I want to trade, I'll just go up here, okay, and I can sort this token. For instance, I want to look at tokens that are very volatile in the market, and one of those tokens that I trade a lot is 𝗕𝗀𝘀. So if I go ahead and type 𝗕𝗀𝘀 right here, okay, so just type in FAT there and it will bring up that token for you. You can see today alone 𝗕𝗀𝘀 is up by over 34%. All right, so I'll go ahead and click on 𝗕𝗀𝘀, and 𝗕𝗀𝘀 is going to load up that chart for us on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so you can see I have a whole lot of pending orders right there, but here on the chart you will see that 𝗕𝗀𝘀 is one of those coins that I trade a lot, right? You can see clearly here using just the overbought and oversold level, right? I saw this this RSI right here showing. Let me just make this full screen so that we'll be able to see it clearly. So make it full screen and all of that. All right, so right here you see that this option right here, okay, you see that the market came down to this level. All right, and what I'm looking at, okay, RSI can actually go below this 30 level, right? The RSI can actually go below this 30 level, but seeing how volatile this particular token is, okay, I started buying around this area, and you can see that this actually went up very well for me. Okay, so I use it a lot. So I just use it to spot whenever the market is going down and RSI is telling me, oh, this market is over sold at this level, I'll be looking for buys. And then when it's going up, okay, whenever RSI is at the overbought level, I'll be looking to sell from there. And what I look at for, I don't look at for too many percentage, just 1%, 2%, 0.5%. It's enough for me, and I'm out of the market. Now, in a case where I have to wait for RSI to give me more than 1% in the market, what I have to do, okay, is to make sure that I'm adjusting my stop loss in real time. All right, if for instance I took a trade right here, okay, that I sold right here and all of that, and this market is going down, all I just need to do is to be adjusting my stop loss. As the market is going down, I'll be adjusting my stop loss in real time. Then whenever I hit my stop loss, I'm out of that trade and I'll be looking for another entry. Okay, so you can always come in here to sort. All right, if I go again to search for those tokens, I can come in here to 24 hours. Make sure you're on perpetual. Okay, if you are trading spot, you can use a spot option, but make sure you're on perpetual. And then what you need to do is to select the USDT option. If you are trading with USDC, select the USDC option, and then right here where it says 24 hours, just go ahead and click on it. Here it will give you the ranking according to volume and all of that. But here, if I click on it again, it will now give you ranking according to the tokens that are, these are top gainers actually. Okay, so once I click on it again, it gives me top gainers, and then when I click on it again, it will give me top losers. All right, then when I click on it again, it will just give me the ranking from BTC down. All right, then again it gives me top gainers. So if I want to trade only tokens that have that have been very volatile today, that I've done a lot in the past 24 hours and all of that, 𝗕𝗀𝘀 is one of those, as you can see. The second one, the ARC, is equally one of those. Okay, Rune is equally one of those, and all of that. So you can just go ahead and select. Let's go with this first one, for instance, the ARC option, and then go ahead and select it, and that will load up the 5 minutes chart for us. Now, so once we have this chart on the 5 minutes time frame, I can go ahead and, let's say, I make this full screen so that we can see clearly. All right, and then you can see right here what I was actually explaining to you. So if I've been monitoring this particular token, remember, one token at a time. All right, if I've been monitoring this token and all of that, I would have taken a lot of buys. Okay, maybe around here I would have entered a trade. Okay, around here too I would have entered another trade. Maybe around here too I would have entered another trade, and that would have given me that move to the upside. Okay, now another thing you need to do to couple with this is to look at the situation, okay, the overall view in the market, right? Why what 𝗕𝗀𝘀 did for me and some other tokens I traded today gave me a lot of profit is because after the market had a very massive dump, I know definitely with the weeks that I was saying on the higher time frame and all of that, that this market I'll be looking for a long trade. Okay, if you want to couple this maybe by knowing the trend of the market, you can go to indicator, okay, and then add up the EMA right here. Okay, maybe the 200 EMA or the 50 EMA or the 25 EMA. You can use that to guide yourself when it comes to knowing the trend of the market. So you only trade a trending market. You don't trade a trend, a market that is consolidating. But RSI at that overbought and oversold level equally gives me a lot of profit since I'm not looking for much when the market is moving sideways. Okay, because I'm always looking for that 1%, 0.5% and all of that. Even in a market that is moving sideways, RSI will always give me entrance, okay, that will give me profit. So it all depends on you, it all depends on what you're looking for. And if you are just starting out, I will just advise that you use very low leverage. For instance, if you have $1,000 as your trading capital, you can trade with 2x leverage, okay, and then decide to enter trades with the whole of your money. You can trade even with 1x leverage and decide to take trades with the whole of your money. If you get 2-3% on that of that capital of $1,000 and all of that, that should be enough. And then the next day you go again. Every week you'll be making nothing less than $1,000 trading on this market. Even if you are starting with $100, believe me, if you do this diligently, you'll definitely be making money, a whole lot of money. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. If all that I've explained is still not clear, guys, you can join us on Telegram. You can join our live stream, daily live stream, and ask all your questions there. And another thing you can do if you want to learn trading, why not, you can take our online course or visit us in our office in Abuja to come see what we are doing there. All right, if you are out there, you want to go into crypto, you don't understand yet, we can help guide you, okay, to build up your portfolio. Whether you want to become a full day trader or you just want to come in as an investor, we are here to guide you. Okay, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to sign up on Bybit, and I'll see you guys in the next video.